this thing over here is the brake fluid tester, and it helps us to check whether that the brake fluid is still safe to use or if it needs to be replaced. Brake fluid is basically hygroscopic in nature, which means that it naturally absorbs moisture from the air over time. So this water enters the system through the rubber hoses, reservoir caps, and even normal humidity. Once water mixes with the brake fluid, its boiling point drops, and this can cause brake fade or complete brake failure under heavy braking. So to test the fluid, we simply dip this probe into the reservoir and read the LED lights. If the light stays green, the fluid is good and no water is detected. If it shows yellow, it means there is less than 1% water and the fluid is still usable. But if it turns red, this means that around 3% water or more and the brake fluid must be changed immediately. Besides water, brake fluid can also get contaminated with dust, metal particles, rubber debris, and air bubbles, all of which reduce braking efficiency. That's why this simple test is important to keep your braking system safe and reliable. Now we have turned the brake tester on. First of all, it is showing green. Dip करें इसे? It is showing green that the brake fluid is healthy. It doesn't need any change and it is in good condition.